Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device meets the app requirements and you have your registered email or phone and password at hand. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 4G network so authentication won't fail. Now open the Nusuk app and accept any permission prompts for storage and notifications. These let the app cache data and send login codes. After permissions, tap the login button to begin entering your credentials. Don't skip this immediate first step. Next, you enter your registered email or phone and then your password. Type carefully and use the reveal toggle to confirm capitalization and special characters. Make sure autocorrect and autofill haven't altered your input. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, select SMS or an authenticator app and fetch the temporary code right away. Once you receive the code, type it into the verification field within the time window so the session completes. This step secures your login and confirms identity. Finally, tap Sign In and wait for the dashboard to load. Avoid tapping repeatedly to prevent duplicate requests. If you're on a personal device, enable Remember Me so future logins are faster, but skip this on shared devices for security. If login fails, first check your network and device clock, then use Forgot Password to reset credentials or request a new MFA code. A key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.